Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this a like.